Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading. If you're interested in making profits in the world of Forex, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First, it's important to understand what Forex trading is. Forex, also known as foreign exchange, is the buying and selling of currencies. The goal is to profit from the changes in exchange rates. It's a global market that operates 24/7, 5 days a week. To begin your Forex journey, you need a reliable broker. Do your research and choose one that offers a user-friendly platform, competitive spreads, and strong customer support. Open an account and deposit funds to get started. Next, educate yourself. Forex trading requires knowledge and understanding of how the market works. Learn about different currency pairs, economic indicators, and trading strategies. There are plenty of online resources and educational materials available to help you get started. Once you feel comfortable with the basics, it's time to practice. Most brokers offer demo accounts, allowing you to trade with virtual funds. Use this opportunity to familiarize yourself with the platform, test different strategies, and build confidence without risking real money. When you're ready to trade with real funds, start small. Manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses. Remember, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and discipline to become a successful trader. Stay updated with market news and analysis. Monitor economic events, geopolitical developments, and central bank decisions that can impact currency prices. Use this information to make informed trading decisions. And finally, never stop learning. The Forex market is constantly evolving. Attend webinars, read books, and follow industry experts to stay ahead of the game. That's it for our Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading. We hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos on Forex trading. Happy trading!